Hello, I am Karen, Solutions Manager from Blue Ocean Data Solutions. Today I would like to share with you the benefits of Smart WMS system implementation for your organizations.
Warehouse management encompasses the principles and processes involved in running day-to-day operations of a warehouse. Typically, there are several types of warehouse such as raw material warehouse, finished goods warehouse, temperature control warehouse and cross-dock warehouse. At a high level, this includes receiving and organizing warehouse space, scheduling labor, managing inventory and fulfilling orders. Traditionally, warehouse uses a manual handling system. These type of warehouses run by the operators who are the ones that handle goods movement, picking of articles from certain location and transport them to somewhere in-house to be packed and shipped out. There are several challenges faced by the traditional warehouse management, such as difficult to track the actual location of stock items, difficult to implement first in first out control, high operation cost and material traceability issue. Too much of manual data entry, and prompt to human error and low productivity. Smart WMS is specially designed to control and manage the day-to-day operations in a warehouse. WMS software guides inventory receiving and put away, optimizes picking and shipping of orders and advises on inventory replenishment. Smart WMS is able to cover the critical warehouse operation, include inventory control, packing, stock item location control, loading, receiving and put away, DO and dispatch, picking, stock movement, sorting and stock take. Key components of Smart WMS consist of QR code or RFID tag for data collection through mobile apps, system integration especially with the existing ERP. Smart WMS involve big data analytics to analyze inventory values and movement for optimum results, real-time alert on stock level, material tracking and traceability, streamline existing process through necessary automation. Key benefits of implementing Smart WMS consist of reduced warehouse operation cost with less resources, higher productivity and better utilization of space, reliable material traceability, allow management to have full control and visibility, real-time inventory dashboard and fully integrated system. Smart WMS has real-time interactive dashboard which provide management instant information on entire warehouse operation. This enable management to take quick action if abnormality is detected. Smart WMS involves cloud computing technology, RFID technology, QR code technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics and mobile technology.
After implementing Smart WMS in our warehouse, productivity has increased and operation cost has reduced significantly. Better warehouse management and warehouse stock control. Allow management instant decision and trigger immediate action if needed.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.